This is Charles Calhoun, aka the Shade Tree Pro. Now, what I'm doing is getting Chris to learn how to move his left side. Now, he's learning how to turn it so he can swing. All right, that looks good, Chris. All right, now he's a little bit open, which is fine and dandy, and he's knowing how to bring. And of course, you know, I lead the hands, lead with the elbows, so y'all don't have to say nothing on that one. But you know, he's just getting the feel for swinging. And see how we're just getting him now. See how he's getting over here, because Chris was overdoing his right side, like most of you all out there. Right side, right side. But what I'm doing, I'm showing him how to load up and wind up, not load, but wind up his left side so he can move his right side properly. All right, Chris, give me one real fast. There we go. Charles Calhoun, aka the Shade Tree Pro.